Hey guys, have you been throwing your eggshells away? This is eggshell. As you can see, this is eggshell. So, have you been throwing your eggshells away? On today's video, I want to be teaching you different types of things you can use this eggshell for. Instead of you throwing them away, use them in these three ways I'm going to teach you right now. So, first of all, this eggshell can serve as a calcium to egg-laying chicks. Any type of chicken, is it local chicken or layers, any type of chicken, turkeys or other chickens that do lay egg, this eggshell can serve as a calcium for them, and I think it is the perfect calcium for them. You know, they do use limestone for their calcium that is in their feed. So, but if that is not enough, instead of you buying all this calcium that they do sell in sachets or other way around, you can use this eggshell. Why don't you use this eggshell? Try it out. And how you can do it is you can use it in their feed, and all you need to do is just cook the eggshell. After you are done cooking it, you then grind it. After you are done grinding the eggshell, you now mix it with their feed. You now mix it in their feed and then give it to the birds so that they will be able to eat from it. They won't know it is their eggshell. They won't know it is from their source because you have mixed it with the feed already. So you just have to grind it, mix it in their feed, and feed it to them. That is the first thing you can do with this eggshell, so that you minimize the money that we use in buying calcium. Instead, you can use these eggshells that you have been throwing away as a source of calcium to your chicken, which will help them make stronger shells whenever they lay eggs. So the second way you can use this eggshell is you can use it as a insect controller in your garden. I know many people will ask, how does this work? Well, if you have find out that maybe pests have been destroying your garden leaves or that kind of stuff, you can grind this eggshell into smaller particles and then spread it in your garden. It can serve as a pest controller, perfect pest controller in your garden, whereby just grind it into smaller particles and then spray it in your garden. You will see the outcome and thank me later. The third way you can use this eggshell is by you can use it to wash pot. All these black pots, maybe you have been using charcoal to cook, or maybe you have been any type, or maybe you have been using even a gas cooker. You can use this eggshell to wash the back of your pot and it will turn to brand new. How will you do this? All you need to do is grind this eggshell into smaller particles, mix it with soap and water, and you can apply it at the back of the pot and start scrubbing it. It will gradually remove those black those black colored of what do I call it? It will remove those dirts, and the pot will definitely turn to brand new pot. And there are many other things you can use this eggshell for. Like, normally it is even good in a human health, but I don't really know. I've not made those inquiry. If I just say the ones I know, the ones I've done, using it to wash a pot, the back of a black pot, making it to turn brand new. giving it to chickens and like using it as an insecticide in my garden. So there are many other things you can use this eggshell for, but I just mention those ones I know. So you can probably make another research on what you can use this eggshell for. But these ones I've said now is what I've practiced and it is working perfect for me. So instead of you throwing away your eggshells whenever you consume the eggs, just be keeping them together. When the number increases, you grind it and use it in any of this stuff I've just said. So thank you for watching this video. I would really like to see your comments in the comment section if this video is interesting, and don't forget to like the video. If you are new here, subscribe in the subscribe button. Subscription is free. You can just subscribe to follow up what I teach in this channel. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.